how are you doing? So this week is a fire truck that I'm going to make into some sort of hover car, futuristic hover car. What's that? Where did I find this? Well, it was basically thrown over the fence by the child from next door. And well, you know, instead of giving it back, I thought it would be quite cool to make as a hover car. So unfortunately, if the kid's watching, that'll teach you to throw stuff over the fence. And I must stress that here at Terrain by Aaron, we don't steal things, but that little shit's had it coming now for a fair few weeks. I'm sick of throwing the footballs back over this fence, toys, soft toys, so it serves him right. Anyway, let's move on with this build. So what we've got here is those annoying fidget toys, almost as annoying as that child that keeps throwing... leave it alone. I'll leave it alone now. Right, hang on. Okay, I'm going to cut these tubes down, make 4 equal ones, and then bend them in the middle, and they can be the hover car's hover apparatus, kind of guess. So wasting nothing with this build, I'm going to use the tyres just to cover up the hole at the bottom of the tubes. So I'm just going to stick them in there. Kind of look like a David Lynch kind of caterpillar at the moment. It's alright, once paint's on them, you'll never know. Now, I've got no real plan for this build. I just want to try to make it look sort of like futuristic, a bit like Captain Scarlet or Thunderbird sort of looking. So I'm just going to delve into my bit box and just pull out various bits that are laying in the bottom of the box and hopefully get them stuck on. Gotta say, I wasn't a fan of where the handles were on this weapon, so I've just snipped them off and just going to glue them on the back of the vehicle just to bulk it out. And just to bulk things out at the front of the vehicle, just going to add some more greeblies, and then this is a bit of wire that I'm going to connect the main vehicle to the gun, so it looks like some sort of like water tank. That was the plan at the start, but when I finished it, didn't really look like a water tank. So then once all that was glued on, it was time for the hovercraft legs. So just quickly super glued them on, and then it was on to painting. So my original idea was to repaint it red, but then I thought, no, let me see what it looks like green. So I painted it green. And now, apart from the army, how many other green fire trucks have you ever seen? Now, if anybody knows of any green fire trucks, please let me know, because it'll be interesting actually. So yeah, so it's some sort of futuristic fire truck, but then is it a fire truck, or then is it some sort of laser cannon on top of the car vehicle? My apologies, even I can't read my own writing. It's worse than a doctor's handwriting. Maybe when I'm doing these scripts I should do a dictaphone or something. I'm just using Citadel's Orc Green for the vehicle, and gotta say, not really a fan. Really like my Vallejo paints. Kept finding that this green just kept drying out too quick, but it might just be me. So anyway, after all that was done, then I just hit certain areas with like a bronze, steampunky bronze colour, because I was sick of doing blue, I was sick of doing white. So I thought, now get out of your comfort zone with your colours and try 2 different colours. And it's getting close to the end of the video, 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Most of you will just skip through, so you'll miss out all the parts in the middle and just go straight to the money shots. That's alright, just as long as you hit the like button. That's all I ask. If you hit the like button It helps the channel and helps with the algorithm. And so yeah, thanks very much to all the subscribers that subscribe. All the peepers, if you want to subscribe, again, that's going to help the channel. And until next time, keep scratching that build, everybody. Thanks for watching. Oh, and a disclaimer, I bought this from the local thrift shop. I didn't steal it from a child. Honest.